How to apply for a US visa from Canada in 2025. So this video is for Canadian residents or temporary residents or international students, workers, visitors who want to apply for a visa or US visa from Canada. Hey everyone, welcome back to Miragis TV, your go-to channel for simplified immigration and lifestyle advice. Yes, today we are diving into a step-by-step guide on how to apply for a US visa while living in Canada, whether you are a student, temporary worker, or just visiting. If you've been thinking of visiting the US for tourism, family visits, business, or even attending a conference, this video breaks down everything you need to know, from paperwork to interviews. So let's get started. Makes the thing easier for you. Don't be frightened. It's as easy as a cookie. Know what visa you need. First, figure out the type of visa you need. Is it B1 visa for business visitors? Oh, is it B2 visa for tourism, visiting family or friends? Or is it F1 visa for academic students? Or is it H1B or R1 for work-related transfers? And many others. Know which one you need. Today we'll focus on the most common one, the B2 tourist visa. Yes. Complete the DS-160 form. The DS-160 is your official US non-immigrant visa application. Go to the US Department of State website. You will see it. Fill out your DS-160 form online. Upload your passport, style photo, take note of your application ID, and print the confirmation page. You will need it for the interview. Fill this form out honestly and accurate. The smallest errors can delay your visa. So be very careful when you're doing it. Pay the visa fee. The next step is to pay your visa application fee, which is currently around $185 US for B2 visas. You will pay this through the US Visa Information and Appointment Services site for Canada. Yes. After payment, you can create an account and schedule your appointment at a US consulate near you, like Toronto, Ottawa, Vancouver, or Montreal, or Calgary. Schedule your visa appointment. You book 2 appointments. Visa Application Center for biometrics, fingerprint, and a photo. Consular interview, the actual interview with a US visa officer at the VAT. Bring valid passport, DS-160 confirmation page. Appointment confirmation. Visa fee receipt at the interview. Bring supporting documents, letter of employment, bank statement, travel itinerary, proof of ties to Canada, or study work permit, lease, job letter. They want to see that you're coming back after you visit US, because some people go and they want to stay in US, so they want to see your ties so that you come back. Prepare for your interview. This is where many people get nervous, but don't worry, we got you covered. I got you covered. The visa officer may ask questions like, why are you traveling to the US? Where will you be staying? You have to have your answers written and with you. How long will you stay? That's something you should know. Do you have family in the US? You should know that as well. What do you do in Canada? They want to know if you're able to pay your to and fro journey. Be confident, be honest, and be clear. That's all we need. The biggest mistake is saying too much or sounding unsure. Know what you want, where you're going to, what you're going, and when you're returning. Wait for a decision. If approved, they'll keep your passport for stamping and return it via courier in a few days. If you deny it, don't panic. It happens. You can reapply later with stronger documentation. Just make sure you do it the right way. The visa does not guarantee entry, but it allows you to request entry at the US border or airport. And that's it. Applying for a US visa from Canada is totally doable when you know the steps. Did you like this video? Please subscribe. Please share it with a friend who needs a visa, and subscribe to Miral Canada updates, and you will get everything. Miral Immigration Lifestyle. Until next time, travel smart and stay informed. Would you like me to see you next time?